So hey guys, we're just playing Fortnite and
we died, so
yeah.
Back to the lobby.
Yeah. Okay guys, we haven't heard any noise. That was the first one. And my room was never like this. I never put it like that. Oh no. Guys, that's creepy. Oliver, I'm not going to use a flashlight, okay? Guys, my room is red.
That's him. That's him.
That's him. Guys, I don't know if you can see this right now, but that's him. He looks like a dead cowboy.
He acts like one too.
Yeah.
What is he doing?
What does he do?
What is that?
Oh, great. He just changed his mask. Oh, great. Oh, no. Run! Oliver! We gotta go. Oh, no. He is creepy, guys. Literally, look at him. Where did he go? He went in my room, guys.
Oh no.
Oh, no. He's in the corner.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
What are you doing?
Oliver! That's literally the creepiest person. Where did he go? Oh no. Hi. Hi, creepy boy. He's right there. He's right. Get! Go! Guys!
I don't see anyone.
Is he in the corner again?
I don't know. Yeah, he is.
Guys, he's in another corner.
Yeah.
Do you see him over there? Oh, great. Just gonna deal with this crazy boy. I'm gonna get closer.
Yeah.
Closer.
Oh.
Oh! Ah, get out! Ow.
Fighting with the table.
Guys! Oliver! Listen to me! Oliver! His hands are off! Where did he go? Oh, great. He is literally right there. He just caught me. He just caught me. Oliver? Oh, great. Sorry, guys. Ow. Ow. I slid in the... He's there. Oh, great.
Hi.